everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rickety Shan's Risky Reels Railroad Reviews. Today we're doing a short episode. Just have a little train track here. Pretty sure it's shut down. I mean, you see train coming down there, pretty close to some commercial buildings. But
and this is the warehouse.
yeah, it looks pretty shut down if I do say so myself. So not looking the best for a railroad, I gotta say. So here's the road walk here. Old thing, a little road down that way, and yep, another one pretty close to the railroad, and it looks like Donald Trump sees no truth. But it's pretty I don't know what to give this one. Nice little river, if you could see, going down to the waterfall. That actually looks really nice in the middle of a urban area. Nice train going through. I'd have to give this a 5. Sorry, guys. 5 out of 10 for this one. First of all, it's shut down and it looks pretty bad. So yeah, that's my review of Railroads Part 3. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.